at pagluluto. Baka, beef. Baka, beef. Matagal lumambot ang baka. Beef takes a long time to tenderize. Manok, chicken. Manok, chicken. Masarap ang pritong manok. Fried chicken is delicious. Isda, fish. Isda, fish. Mas maganda sa katawan ang isda. Fish is better for the body. Baboy, pork. Baboy, pork. Paborito ko ang baboy. Pork is my favorite. Kamatis, tomato. Kamatis, tomato. Bagay ang kamatis sa pating itlog. Tomato goes well with scrambled egg. Sibuyas, onion. Sibuyas, onion. Nakakaluha ang sibuyas. Onion can make you cry. Bawang, garlic. Bawang, garlic. Mas masarap ang sinangag pag maraming bawang. Fried rice is better with lots of garlic. Asin, salt. Asin, salt. Toyo, soy sauce. Toyo, soy sauce. Madalas may toyo ang adobo. Adobo often has soy sauce. Suka, vinegar. Suka, vinegar. Masarap isawsaw ang chicharon sa suka. It's good to dip chicharon in vinegar. Mantika, cooking oil. Mantika, cooking oil. Frying pan, kawali. Frying pan, kawali. Shanse, cooking spatula. Cooking turner. Shanse, cooking spatula. Palayok, pot. Palayok, pot. Palayok ang ginagamit sa pagpapakulo. A pot is used for boiling. Tinidor, fork. Tinidor, fork. Spoon, kutsara. Spoon, kutsara. Kutsarita, teaspoon. Kutsarita, teaspoon. Tasa, cup. Tasa, cup. Isang tasa, 1 cup. Kalahating kutsara, 1/2 spoon. Isang katlong kutsarita, 1/3 teaspoon. Isang kapat na tasa, 1/4 cup. Haluin, mix. Haluin mabuti, mix well. Hiwain, slice. Hiwain ang sibuyas. Slice the onion. Hiwain pahaba. Slice into strips. Tad-tad. Chop. Tad-tad. Chop. Tantaring pino. Chop finely. Salain. Sift. Salain. Sift. harina. Sift the flour. Pakuluan. Boil. Pakuluan ang baka hanggang lumambot. Boil the beef until tender. Prito. Fry. Prito. Fry. Malutong. Crispy. Prituhin ang balat hanggang lumutong. Fry the skin until crispy. Mababang apoy. Low flame. Mataas na apoy. High flame. Taste. Tikman. Taste. Tikman. Masarap. Delicious. Masarap. Delicious.